Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and today we'll be starting with exercise 7.1 of class 8. The name of the chapter is cubes and cube roots. Okay, we have done the introduction video. Go watch my last video. In that video I have taught all the topics that will come up in this chapter in the exercises, so that when we do the exercise every concept is clear to you. Okay, so the first question of exercise 7.1 is, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? So our first part is 216. To check whether a number is a perfect cube or not, we have to prime factorize the number and then make triplets of the factors. अगर सारे triplets बन रहे हैं, it means that yes, that number is a perfect square. And if not, if any term is left 2 times or 1 time, or it is 4 times, तो 3 का 1 pair बन गया, but 1 is left single, so it means that that number is not a perfect square. So first we will prime factorize 216. Okay, to prime factorize 216, we will check whether it is a even number or not. So yes, it is a even number, so it is a multiple of 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, because 1 is not divisible by 2. Now 2 8s are 16. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 27 is a multiple of 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we will start making triplets. Triplets means we have to make a pair of 3 factors, 3 similar factors. So 2 2 2, ये एक factor हो गया. Our second factor is 3 3. Our second group is 3 3 3. So 2 groups बन गए, one group of 2 and one group of 3. So it means that yes, 216 is a perfect cube because उसके factors triplet बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, so yes, it is a perfect cube. All right, so this was part number A. Now let's come to the second part. Our second part is 128. So we will prime factorize 128 to find out the factors. 128 is a multiple of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now we got the factors of 128 as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 times 2. Now we will make pairs of 3 3 2s. ये 3 2 का 1 pair and ये 3 2 का 1 pair. And now 1 2 is left single. It means that this number is not a perfect cube. Not a perfect cube. Why? Because 1 2 is left single here. अगर इसका भी पेयर बन जाता, अगर यहाँ पे 2 2s और होते तो ये नंबर एक परफेक्ट क्यूब होता, या फिर ये 2 नहीं होता, इफ यहाँ पे सिर्फ 6 2s होते, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो भी ये नंबर एक परफेक्ट क्यूब होता. बट बिकॉज वी हैव 7 2s, दैट्स व्हाई दिस नंबर इज नॉट अ perfect cube. This was second part. Now let's come to the third part. So our third part is 1000. So we will prime factorize this number to check whether it is a perfect square or not. 1000 is a multiple of 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 zeros as it is. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So and 2 5s are 10. Now 125 is not a multiple of 2. 125 is also not a multiple of 3. So yes, it is a multiple of 5 now. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 1000 are 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So start making pairs. One pair of 2, one pair of 5. 3 times hai dono. So yes, it means that 1000 is a perfect cube. So yes, 1000 is a perfect cube. This was our third part. Now let's come to the fourth part. Our fourth part is 100. We have to check whether 100 is a perfect cube or not. So for that we will prime factorize 100. 100 is a multiple of 2. 250 is a 100. 225s are 50. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now triplets नहीं बन रहे. We have 2 times. We have 5 2 times. हमारे पास 3 times नहीं है ये number. So it means that 100 is not a perfect cube. Okay, 100 is a perfect square, but 100 is not a perfect cube. If we had one more 2 and one more 5 in this, so yes, फिर ये एक perfect cube होता. ठीक है, because 3 3 हो जाते दोनों. But here this is not a perfect cube. This was our fourth part. Now let's come to the fifth part. Fifth part is 46656. 46656. So we have to check whether this number is a perfect cube or not. And for that we will prime factorize this number. Now this is an even number. So yes, this is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 729 is not a multiple of 2 anymore. So now we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3. So for that we will add all the digits of this number. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 is a multiple of 2, which means that yes, this number is a multiple of 3. Sorry, not 2, 3. 3 2s are 6. We got 12. So 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Now 27 again. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we got factors of 4 6 6 5 6 as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5. 6 times 3 again. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now start making pairs. Pairs तो साफ साफ दिख ही रहे हैं. This pair of 2, this pair of 2, this pair of 3, this pair of 3. We have 4 pairs. Okay. So we will take one number from each pair. So 2 into 2. Sorry. That's it. We are getting triplets in this question. हमारे पास कोई भी single term नहीं बची है. It means that yes, this number is a perfect cube. This number is a perfect cube. Yes. Alright. This was our first question. Now let's come to the second question. What does the question number 2 say? Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied so as to get a perfect cube. In our introduction video, children, we have discussed this type of question that we have to find the smallest number that must be multiplied in the given number so as to get a perfect cube. So let's see part number. First is 243. First part is 243. So now we will again prime factorize this number. 243. 243 is not a multiple of 2. So we will check whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So yes. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 243 are 5 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now make pairs of 3 factors. One pair of 3 factor ये रहा. And now second pair में we have 2 factors only. And we need 3 factors. So we got the smallest number by which this number should be multiplied. That number is 3. जब हम इस नंबर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो नंबर आएगा दैट नंबर विल बी दी परफेक्ट क्यूब. अभी ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है, पर जैसे ही हम इस नंबर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन वी विल गेट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. ओके, सो वी गॉट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर by which this number should be multiplied. That number is 3. So this was our first part. Now let's come to the second part. Our second part is 256. 256 is a multiple of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So factors of 256 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2. Okay. Now let's start making pairs. One pair of 2, second pair of 2, and in third pair we have only 2 terms and we need 3 terms. So we got the number by which this number should be multiplied, and that number is 2. When we will multiply this number by 2, then we will get a perfect cube number. This number अभी ये perfect cube नहीं है, but ये perfect cube बन जाएगा कब? When we will multiply this number by 2. This was second part. Now let's come to the third part. So our third part is 7 to 72. Let's prime factorize 72. 72 is a multiple of 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now one pair of 2 is complete, but we have 1 3 less here. So we will multiply 72 by 3, and when we will multiply 72 by 3, we will get the perfect cube. 72 is not a perfect cube, but ये बन जाएगा when we will multiply this number by 3, because एक और 3 add हो जाएगा and then 3 3 3 will make a pair. This was third part. Now let's come to the fourth part. Fourth part is 675. 675. So let's prime factorize 675. We will check whether this number is a multiple of 3 or not, because this is not a multiple of 2. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18, and 18 is a multiple of 3. So yes. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So we got factors of 675 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So start making pairs. We have one pair of 3, but 5 में 1 5 कम है. So yes, 675 will be multiplied by 5, and when we will multiply 675 by 5, we will get a perfect cube number. This was fourth part. Now let's come to the fifth part. Fifth part is 100. We know that 100 is not a perfect cube. So let's find the number by which it should be multiplied so that to get a perfect cube. So 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is. 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now children, pairs तो नहीं बन रहे because 3 3 का कुछ भी नहीं है. We have 2 2s and 2 5s. So but if अगर यहाँ पे एक 2 और ऐड हो जाए और एक 5 और ऐड हो जाए तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बन सकता है. So हमें इसको into 2 into 5 करना है. ठीक है, हमें इसको into 2 into 5 करना है so that हमारे पास एक परफेक्ट क्यूब आ जाए. So simply हमें into 10 करना है. ठीक है, so it means that when this number will be multiplied by 10, we will get a perfect cube, which is 1000. 1000 is a perfect cube. Alright, this was second question. Now let's come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Now after the numbers which must be multiplied, our next question is the number by which it should be divided. get a perfect cube. So question number 3 is simply हमें वो नंबर निकालना है जो अब हम डिवाइड कर सकें, एंड द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 81. So again we will prime factorize this number and check whether and check which number by which number it should be divided, because ये perfect cube तो नहीं है, ये तो हमें पता ही है. So prime factorizing 81, this is a multiple of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factors of 81 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So one pair of 3 is done and one 3 is left single, and अब हम इसमें मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना, हमें इसमें डिवाइड करना है. So अगर मैं ये 3 को डिवाइड कर दूं, एलिमिनेट कर दूं, so we will get a perfect cube. So it means 81 should be divided by 3, and when it will be divided by 3 we will get a perfect cube. या तो हम 2 3 ऐड कर सकते हैं या फिर हम एक 3 एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, एंड इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एलिमिनेट करना है बिकॉज डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी एलिमिनेटेड 1 3. दिस वाज फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड पार्ट. We know that 128 is not a perfect cube, so we have to find the number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect cube. 128 is a multiple of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So the factors of 128 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 2. 7 times 2 आ गया. Now start making pairs. This is the first pair, this is the second pair, and 1 2 is left single. तो अब इसको करना है eliminate. So we will divide 128 by 2, and when we will divide 128 by 2 we will get a perfect cube. This was second part. Now let's come to the third part. Third part is 135. 135. Third part is 135. So let's prime factorize 135. 135 is a multiple of 3 because 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 9 is 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So multiple factors of 135 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now 3 3 3 is one pair. Okay, 5 is left single, so it means that 135 should be divided by 5, and when we will divide 135 by 5 we will get a perfect cube. This was third part. Now let's come to the fourth part. Fourth part is 192. Let's prime factorize 192 now. So 192 is an even number, so it is a multiple of 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. So we got factors of 192 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now let's start making pairs. One pair of 2, second pair of 2. 3 is left single, so it means that 192 will be divided by 3. Okay, I hope now this concept is very easy for you to solve. Last part, 704. Fifth part is 704. Prime factorizing 704. 704 is a multiple of 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 44. 2 22. 2 11. 11 1. So factors of 704 are 6 times 2 into 11. Now let's make pairs. First pair, second pair. 11 is left single, so this number will be divided by 11 so as to get a perfect cube number. This was our third question. Now let's come to the last question, that is question number 4. So question number 4 says, Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides. We are given the sides of the cuboid as 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. We know that we have length, breadth and height in a cuboid. So उन तीनों की हमें sides दे रखी है. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? Now children, we know that क्यूब की लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ सेम होती है, ठीक है, सेम होती है, इक्वल होती है. सो इट मीन्स कि हमें वी विल राइट साइज ऑफ क्यूबॉइड एज 5 into 2 into 5. ऑलराइट, बट वी नो दैट हमें परफेक्ट क्यूब बनाने के लिए, एक क्यूब बनाने के लिए हमें कितने बार फैक्टर्स चाहिए होते हैं? 3 3 के पेयर्स में. एंड इधर हमारे पास 5 2 टाइम्स ही है. सो इट मीन्स हमें 1 टाइम 5 और मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसमें. एंड एक बार तो 5 और आएगा, ठीक है, और 2 टाइम्स 2 और आएगा, सो दैट 2 का भी पेयर बन जाए और 5 का भी पेयर बन जाए. ठीक है, ये टर्म्स अभी इसमें इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, तो ये टर्म्स इंक्लूड करेंगे तो कितने और हो गए? 2 2 4 एंड 4 5 20. So it means that 20 more such cuboids will be needed to form a cube. Because cube में क्या होता है? We have triplets, ठीक है, और अभी यहाँ पे triplets नहीं बन रहे. And triplets बनाने के लिए हमें 1 5 और needed है, because 2 5 यहाँ पे है, and 2 2s और needed है, because 1 2 यहाँ पे already है. So it means that इन तीनों को multiply करेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएंगे how many more such cuboids are needed? So 20 more such cuboids are needed. So it means 20 more such cuboids will be needed. Alright. Now with this we have completed our exercise 7.1. If you have any problem, if you have any query, please mention in our comment section below. Please revise all the questions, all the chapters that we are discussing, and thank you.